Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening settings. Now you need to choose Bluetooth over here and click on this switcher to activate it. After that, wait for available devices to show up and click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to wait for the pop-up. Select pair in it and wait for the other device, in my case Nokia, to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this gear icon next to the device and tapping on Unpair, then confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!